Welcome to the ABCs of happiness. Even though we don't have a definition of happiness yet, I believe everyone can say when you feel happy and when you don't. So there are researchers that prefer other terms like subjective well-being instead of happiness, but the word on the street, we will hear what people have to say about this.
Happiness for me is to have an energy to perform my daily task with enthusiasm, feeling content and satisfied with what I have, achieving goals and work and my personal life. Pretty much that's the first thing that comes to my mind when I talk about happiness.
This means to you.
Well, for me, I think happiness is freedom. Freedom to choose how I spend my time, and primarily on how I spend my time with the people I love and people I enjoy being with, and how do I choose my time to do things I love. So whether it's reading a great book, curling up in front of the TV, or mountain biking, or swimming, or running, just having enough time to do those things that I love and to do those things I love with the people that I love. That's what happiness means to me.
Happiness to me is getting away with my husband and children, traveling, having a good meal, and seeing the sunshine.
What happiness means to you?
Well, I always remember what my friend Jerry would say about happiness, which was, you can't be sad when you're eating a cookie. And this is because when you're eating a cookie, there's actually some sort of like physiological event, certain serotonin or something like this is being produced in your brain. And even if you're really sad, you should try this. If you're really sad and you eat a cookie, you're not sad but unfortunately, as soon as the cookie's done, then you're going to be sad again. But I do think that this shows that happiness is fundamentally a physical, materialistic state.
For me, happiness is a feeling. It's not about what we are doing. It's about how we feel about what we are doing. Happiness means a balance or alignment, a fine alignment between our internal desire with what we are able to achieve.